everybody and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Laura and I've got the lovely Leo joining me today.
Hello.
And so today we are going to look at the specialty card and paper bundle, and we've got a Nouveau Mousse bundle as well. So these are card and paper, and they are, as you can see, they are specialty card and paper. Some have got embossed sticker on, some have got like a magnetic finish to them, so you've got the sheen in there, but they're all embossed and they're all completely different. They're really textured cards, aren't they?
Yes, absolutely.
Really lovely. So in the UK, you are going to get 7 packs of these for $19.99, and in the US, you're going to get 5 packs for $16.99. But have a look on the website and you'll be able to see what packs they are. But they're all really nice and different. You've got a really nice variety in here. If you're making like bucket, like that would be great for like a basket. If you're making like a basket, they've all got really lovely different effects on them.
Lots of different sort of textures, lots of colours in there for you as well.
I like the like almost like a bronzy.
It is, yeah, very pretty colour, that one.
Yeah,
flowers in here as well. And like you say, you've got this. So these are sort of the papers, the cotton papers, and then you've got a couple that are on
thicker
card as well.
Yeah, so you could do some construction with some, and then use some for your mats and layers. But they're really deep embossed as well. So they are absolutely lovely.
They do die cut as well, so you will lose a little bit of the impression die cutting them, but you can absolutely die cut out of them. So great for adding that extra bit of texture to the top of your projects and cards as well.
Yeah, and you could even rub over them with like mousse or something, or use wax just to add a bit more texture to them as well.
Bring up the texture as well.
Yeah, right. Perfect. And should we have a look at the mousses?
Let's.
I'll put the spear by me.
So we've got quite a few different colours here. And again, I think we've got different bundles, haven't we?
Yes. So in the UK, you are going to get 6 tubs of the mousses for $19.99. And in the US, you're going to get 11 tubs of these for $39.99, which is amazing. Bundle. That is a big bundle.
It's 60% off in the US.
Oh, that is a good deal. Good deal on these. And we have, so this is a range of colours. Obviously, you're going to get a selection depending on where you are shopping from. But if I try and turn these all on their sides, you can see some of these colours that we've got here. And again, great for adding that sort of extra finish to your projects. A little bit of texture.
To your stencils. They are lovely. And they've kind of got like a...
They're metallic-y kind of sheen to them, haven't they?
You can see, obviously yours isn't going to be used, but just so you can see the shine coming off it, because it has almost got like a metallic-y finish, hasn't it? Which is really lovely.
Great for pushing through stencils for the backgrounds of cards and things. If you want that little bit of extra, they're rolling away. A little bit of extra texture in a background on a card or something like that. Like I said, rubbing onto the textured papers and things like that to help bring up the highlights on there.
Or even just to add a bit of texture, like that card there. Just to add texture to it. If you're building up a scene and you just want to put some texture into like a scene, maybe some grass or some blue for the sea or something like that, just to add a bit of texture in.
Like adding to the tops of the waves and things like that. That'd be nice.
Really lovely one. But I like the bundle that you get, the different colours. You've got a good variety to start
your
with.
collection if you haven't already, or add to it if you already have. Perfect.
Okay, so we've shown you that. So thank you so much for joining us. And don't forget to tag us in your makes if you make anything with this. And happy crafting.
Happy crafting.